Get ready to revolutionize your runs. Dive into the ultimate showdown of running shoes. From Brooks' stability marvels to Nike's speed demons, we've got the game changers you need to dominate the track. Brooks Adrenaline GTS 23. The Brooks Adrenaline GTS 23 emerges as the pinnacle of stability running shoes. Brooks's commitment to innovation shines through, refining the shoe for optimal stability and comfort. Its array of vibrant color options complements the new 3D fit printable mesh upper, ensuring durability and flexibility. The DNA Loft V2 midsole offers a softer, lighter feel, propelling you forward with added bounce. Enhanced rubber patterns on the sole provide unmatched traction, while the guide rail stability system keeps you balanced through every stride. Get ready to dominate the roads with the Adrenaline GTS 23. It's a game changer in running. Nike Vaporfly 3. The Nike Vaporfly 3, the ultimate choice for versatile runners. Combining ZoomX foam, carbon plates, and a lightweight upper, it offers unmatched performance for fast-paced races. Perfect for shaving seconds off your finish time, from quick sprints to full marathons. While not your everyday shoe, it's a game changer at the starting line. With Nike's supercritical ZoomX foam providing cushioning and an aggressive design for swift foot turnover. Its generous forefront padding sets it apart, ensuring a smooth ride even in carbon-plated shoes. Whether chasing a new record or aiming for a qualifying time, the Vaporfly 3 delivers. It's not just a shoe, it's your all-in-one performance enhancer. Saucony Triumph 20. The Saucony Triumph 20 is a standout choice for long-distance runners. Its revamped midsole ensures superior cushioning and seamless transitions from walking to running. Modernized in both upper and sole, it maintains high standards while prioritizing comfort. PVR Run Plus foam, a blend of EVA and TPU, enhances responsiveness and adaptability to varied terrains. The option to personalize insoles adds a personal touch. Reduced weight and improved traction offer smoother, faster performance. With enhanced agility and a dynamic rocker effect, the Triumph 20 delivers unmatched efficiency. Experience comfort, performance, and style in one sleek package, the ultimate choice for runners seeking excellence. New Balance Fresh Foam X1080 V12. The New Balance Fresh Foam X1080 V12, the epitome of comfort and style for runners. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, this shoe effortlessly elevates your workouts. Hidden within its attractive exterior lies the innovative Fresh Foam X midsole, providing unmatched softness and responsiveness. New Balance's swift refinements ensure a flawless experience, addressing any minor flaws. The result? A shoe that feels like sinking into a plush sofa after a long day, yet propels you forward with every step. From daily jogs to intense training sessions, the Fresh Foam X1080 V12 keeps you comfortable and energized, earning it a resounding thumbs up from enthusiasts everywhere. ASICS Men's Gel-Kayano 29 Running. The ASICS Gel-Kayano 29, hailed as the pinnacle of stability running shoes, returns revamped and ready to dominate. Featuring innovative Flight Foam Blast Plus in the midsole for heightened quality and responsiveness, this iteration promises an unparalleled running experience. Redesigned with a new light truss system for enhanced stability and signature gel technology for superior impact absorption, the Kayano 29 guarantees a smooth and comfortable ride. Its lightweight design, crafted with recycled materials, showcases ASICS' commitment to sustainability. Ideal for heavier runners and overpronators, its boost cushioning and structured heel offer exceptional support. With improved sole contact and a softer feel, this shoe excels in training and competition, ensuring every run is a joyous journey. Brooks Men's Ghost 15 Neutral Running Shoe. The Brooks Ghost 15 reigns supreme as today's gold medalist and the ultimate running shoe of choice. Renowned for its legendary status, this latest iteration continues to captivate runners with its unparalleled comfort and protection. Boasting a double-layered mesh upper and reflective details, it ensures both style and safety during nighttime runs. With DNA Loft V2 foam providing plush cushioning and stability, each stride feels effortless and smooth. The wide platform and durable outsole guarantee stability and longevity, making it ideal for long-distance runs or everyday wear. Despite a 12mm drop, its flexibility and comfort remain unmatched. The Brooks Ghost 15 delivers top-tier performance at an unbeatable value. Mizuno Men's Wave Rebellion Pro Running Shoe. The Mizuno Wave Rebellion Pro shines in captivating white, silver or sleek white, black. Crafted with precision and style, this shoe boasts the revolutionary Mizuno ENERZY light midsole foam, ensuring a blend of softness and responsiveness for your peak performance. The Mizuno Wave Plate distributes impact energy effectively, offering stability and superior cushioning. Its G3 outsole promises exceptional grip with minimal weight, while eco-friendly materials demonstrate our commitment to sustainability. Engineered for marathon runners, it features a carbon-reinforced wave plate and smooth speed assist design, empowering you to conquer your personal best. Elevate your runs with Mizuno Wave Rebellion Pro, the epitome of excellence. Hoka Mach 5. Introducing the Hoka Mach 5, an upgraded powerhouse inspired by its beloved predecessor, the Mach 4. Enhanced with Vaporfly Plus midsole foam, it delivers a lighter and more responsive ride, perfect for quick bursts or full-on racing. The jack-on mesh upper ensures a secure fit while keeping weight down, ideal for those speed-driven moments. Although the outsole remains similar to the Mach 4, offering strong traction, durability might be a concern. Yet, if you crave a shoe that can handle intense sessions and sprints to the finish line, the Mach 5 is your ultimate companion. It's not just a training partner, it's your ticket to podium-worthy performance. Puma Men's Velocity Nitro 2. The Puma Velocity Nitro 2 defies its affordable price tag, boasting top-notch quality and versatility that rivals far pricier options. Its Nitro foam midsole strikes the perfect equilibrium between cushioning and responsiveness, ideal for both leisurely jogs and high-intensity sprints. With Puma's signature grip technology on the outer rubber, this shoe fearlessly tackles any terrain or weather condition, from city streets to occasional light trails. Whether you're aiming for speed or seeking comfort, the Velocity Nitro 2 delivers unparalleled performance without breaking the bank. Adidas Men's Adizero Pro Running Shoe. The Adizero Adios Pro 3 by Adidas reigns as the pinnacle of carbon racing shoes in 2024. With its innovative blend of Light Strike Pro foam and carbon energy rods, every stride promises a smooth and dynamic journey. Designed to excel over long distances, it offers unparalleled protection for your legs while maintaining durability for intense training sessions. But its prowess doesn't end there. This shoe is a force to be reckoned with in shorter events, delivering a punchy ride that propels you to victory. Whether you're racing or training, the Adizero Adios Pro 3 ensures every step is exhilarating and empowering. Thanks for watching.